Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new video. On today's video, another beauty haul unboxing. It's heavy box. My Boxyluxe this month. Finally, I got my Boxyluxe this month. This is not the regular box that I receive every month. This is Boxyluxe. I receive it every 3 months, so I'm really excited. I cannot wait again every time I do my monthly subscription beauty box or something. I cannot wait to show you and share with you guys what we got for this month. This is gonna be a quick unboxing. It is snowing outside. It's really bad, and the ground is still like starting, the snow is getting like thicker. So I don't want to go to work, but I do have work today. And yeah, we're gonna do quick unboxing for my monthly subscription beauty box, Boxyluxe this month, and I'm gonna do it real quick. So first, when you open the box, we got this as usual super cute what do you call this, paperwork. And again, at the back they put everything inside, what's inside the box, the name and the price as well. And okay, oh my god, another very cute packaging of eyeshadow. I love eyeshadow, even though I don't know how to do eyeshadow. I'm just playing whatever I want to put on my eyelid or something like that. I just play around with my eyeshadow and that's it. I really don't know how to like blend different kind of colors to my eyelid, but I do love eyeshadow. So we got these Barbie super cute packaging, Barbarella eyeshadow palette, very cute. And how many shades? Too many shades, too many options of this is what it looks like, the colors of the eyeshadow. Super excited to play with this again, even though I don't know how to play eyeshadow. Moving on to the next beauty product that we got. This is the Rose Quartz hair mask. Ooh, I'm really close to buy a hair mask because my hair is so dry. I want to like sometimes like once a week or twice a week to do a hair mask to make my hair like not super dry at all and help me make my hair moisture. But yeah, finally I got a hair mask on this month, and yeah, it's super nice. Rose plus Quartz hair mask, and I'm just gonna link the price as well, everything that we got for this month. This is it smells good. It smells good. It smells like the hair treatment that I use onto my hair after I shower. It's remind me that smell. It smells really good. It's not too strong, it's not light. It's kind of like a little light smell on it. So I'm really excited. Tonight I'm gonna try this hair mask. Next is this serum, super cute packaging of serum. Okay, plum hyaluronic serum. Super cute packaging of serum. I cannot wait to use all of this product that we got for this month. And yeah, super cute packaging as well. This is what look like the packaging. Again, another scary packaging because it's a glass. It's a glass, guys. I love the packaging. It's pink. Oh, maybe I'm gonna use this tonight. Oh my god, I can't wait. So next we got Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 320. I'm gonna try this tomorrow. This foundation. I'm gonna try it tomorrow. We'll see. Super. And it's a, how many ounces is this? 32 ml. I can't wait. I have a new foundation to try on. So that's the third one. Fourth is this Dominique, I think this is the lip liner. Just open it real quick. It's hard to get, okay, yeah, this is the lip liner, Dominique lip liner. Cute lip liner, super cute lip liner. And this is the shade. This is the shade, guys. That's nice lip liner. I can use sometimes lip liner. I can use it like a lipstick too. I just put it all over my lips and that's it. And next, oh, I can't wait. Oh, this is the beauty blender. The packaging is so cute. Like it reminds me Easter. Very cute packaging. Oh, yeah, like an Easter egg. There you go, like an Easter egg. And I do believe we got, oh, we got six beauty. We got six beauty blender, green and pink beauty blender. Oh, I cannot wait. And it's really soft. Oh my god, it's really soft. I cannot wait. Oh, really soft. I got too many beauty blenders now. Normally I use the foundation brush to put my foundation on, but yeah, why not to try that? We got 6 beauty blender to try on. And then last, I do believe this is the last, mini heat brush. Super cute packaging of mini heat brush. Oh, I cannot wait to try this mini heat brush. Maybe you can like add volume on it when you use it. I cannot wait. So excited. And this is the mini heat brush. This is what it looks like. It's super cute. Small mini heat brush. I'm gonna try it before I go to work today. We'll see what's this do for my hair. If you wanna, maybe if you wanna like do volume, a little bit volume on your hair, you can use this. I don't know, maybe it straighten your hair. We'll figure out. I'll figure out later. But this is the last one, mini heat brush. Oh my god. Okay, I cannot wait. The what do you call it? Like, it's not like, I don't know if you can see that. It's a little bit like thick brush. At the middle is thick brush, and then surrounded with a little round thin brush on it. Super nice. I cannot wait to use this before I go to work today. And we got these Kiss the Stars 24K gold lip plumping mask. Lip plumping mask. I'm excited with this one. It says rose gold. It says 24K gold lip plumping mask. This is what it looks like, guys. Oh my god, I cannot wait to like play with this. I'm so excited with this one. Interesting beauty product for the lips. And it got those weird smell. I don't like the smell. I don't know, it reminds me something smells like weird. I don't know, but cannot wait to play with this for my lips. And yeah, very exciting beauty product. Alright everyone, that's it for today's unboxing. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to try all of this that I got for this month for my BOXYLUCKY. I'm so excited to play with it. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will be notified every time I do upload a new video. Bye everyone.